If you go again and never pop it, the beat like a thunder, but I'm not never stop it, the beat like a thunder, and the market, everybody want to come back to the rapper like a thunder, with the big on the beat, everybody on the market, they can get better, but the better, but the market, everybody want to listen to the way you do my rapping on the beat, and the public on the market like a thunder, when they get better, the jumping in the rapper with the beat, and everybody never stopping on the market like a thunder, but the beat can be the better, but the rapper with the beat, and never be. And I'll never really stop around the market like a thunder, but I keep the butter still the boot, just like a thunder, with the market, never really be. Just like that, when I'm making everybody in the beat, when I'm reading in the beat, when the famous on the rapper like a thunder, with the beat, when they can give it up and the carpet and the puppet, like a different on the beat, and never dropping on the market, never beating in the beat, and the dog and on the market like a thunder, with the chopping in the rapper, but never thought about the beat, never beating in the beat, and the dog and on the market like a thunder, with the beat, and never stopping on the beat, never be. Just like that, on the beat, it doesn't really matter when they never follow me, when on the market, they never drop it, in the market, never the top of the run, the market, never do it like a thunder, with the beat, and everybody wanna be like me. Doesn't really matter when the market, never stop it in the beat. Pretty matter when the market never stop it on the beat like a thunder on the market, everybody wanna come and never listen to the way we do it, rapping on the beat, and happy motherfucking the 4th of July on the beat like a thunder, and happy to the day like a thunder, with the beat, and never done a new party on the market like a thunder, when I put it everybody when I fit it, they figure on the beat like a thunder, never done it really proper on the market like a thunder, when the beat gonna be rapping on the market, never really stopping on the beat, and everybody wanna come and follow me. Just like that, if I go again, then rapping on the beat, and then rapping in the game, and everybody on the market like a thunder, with the beat, and it didn't really matter when I was on the market, when I jump on the mic. Listen, man. See the power. Yeah, I'm on fire. You know this. So listen. Don't really care then, but I do really on the mic then. If I go now, we're rapping in the beat then. Rapping like a thunder on the motherfucking in the mic like that. When I'm gonna get it rapping on the beat, then I do really care on the beat. Then I'm messing it around, but I'm gonna get it ready now on the beat then. If I go then, doesn't really matter on the beat, and never stopping on the mic like a thunder in the beat, but it didn't really matter on the mic, and never do it like a thunder in the beat, and never really was really gonna be the really good when I'm rapping like a thunder in the mic. It doesn't matter on the beat, and never stopping everybody on the mic, and everybody wanna be the motherfucking famous rapper on the beat. Just like that on the beat then, if I'm gonna go when I'm rapping on the beat, it doesn't really matter like a thunder on the mic, and everybody wanna come and never look like a this is in the mic, and never stop at the top of the run the mic, and never do run the top of the bin of the mic, and never the top of the run the mic, and never like a thunder bin. Doesn't really matter on the mic, and never stop at everybody wanna come and be really good at running rapper like a thunder in the beat, and everybody never on a new planet like a thunder in the beat, and never think that the bit of the feeling like a different beat, and like a thunder on the mic, and everybody I'm sorry. But I'm grateful, yeah, but I'm happy, yeah, in the beat that we got some other things that are really going round and round the beat, like I thought when we got to do a bit of the things that are going round in the beat, and the job I'm going to make, and never really get the beat, but the puppet like that, the beat, and never stop. Just like I thought, man, I made it on the beat, and I'm never going to stop. Just made it on the beat, like I thought, and now I used to get it better, and I wouldn't run around like I thought, in the beat, and I really get it, and I better like I thought, in the beat, and never know it, like I did in the beat, and never know whether they can run a market like I thought, but I never picked the syllable in the beat, and everybody on the mic, and never stopping on the back, and everybody gonna be me. And I'll never really change. Rapping in the mic, never really gonna be with the rapper, the mic, and never the top of the run the mic, and never really gonna be the better famous on the rapper like a thunder in the beat, and you can be going like a thunder in the mic, and the flowing. Listen to the beat again, and everybody wanna stop and never really know it.